All right, so here we go. I got some fresh rainbow trout that we've caught today. I've already started the brining process here, as you can see. Yeah. Alright guys, so finishing up here, gonna show you guys how to clean a bow. My buddy PJ is gonna show you guys with an electric knife. We're gonna cut this bow up.
Right, so you make one cut here behind the gill so you feel the bone, right? So right there.
Yep.
You're about almost to the center of the fish.
Yep.
I like to flip it around like so. Just take your knife, you're gonna turn it horizontal, so parallel with the fish itself. And you're just gonna walk that knife along the spine. Okay, you're using the spine as a guide, right? The guide is right there. So right now my knife is barely touching the spine. And I'm keeping it nice and flat. There's a small angle to it. And you just keep pushing that all the way down. There you go. Look at that.
Nice. Look at the color on that.
Nice color on it.
Ooh.
Right? Let me take this here.
That's crazy orange. Nice.
There you go.
That's it. Nothing but bones
there's
left.
nothing left. There's nice and thin. You
Look,
maximize the meat.
You can see the light through it.
Yeah.
Good job, brother.
Beautiful. Awesome.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, he's removing the rib cage now. That's a lot of meat, bro.
Oh yeah, that's a slab right there.
That's a lot of meat. Come on, bro. We gotta brine it and...
Look at the beautiful color on that, eh?
Oh yeah, so orange.
Awesome. All right.
So right there, guys. Quickest way, easiest way, get an electric knife, fillet it just like regularly, but PJ has that technique. You guys like that? You guys gotta do it the same way. Like, share, subscribe. On the next clean, we'll have to do a cook on this, all right? See you later.